Open the other one.
This one.
Open that.
There was the envelope in here.
Tear it.
Baby. Yes. Oh, it's gems.
Wow. Sure.
It's a gem.
Oh,
That's
wow.
for my friends. My friends love gems. Okay?
Okay, now open the other one. See, there's one more. There, that one.
Here.
There, near a leg.
Oh. Hello. There are gems for my friends. And me.
Asa, turn it.
Turn.
Careful.
Wow.
Dekha, show me.
Happy birthday, hairband. That's cool.
Yeah.
Then I'll take my gems.
You like the gems?
That's it.
Okay, now open. Yeah, what else? Yeah, open it.
And one more.
Two more.
There are too much gifts.
Oh, for that, whom should you say thank you? Who is the smallest one?
Thank you, birthday.
No, her Karthik's sister.
What?
Wow, what's that? A dress.
Thank you, Barbie. Barbie,
Show me.
there's
Show the dress.
more.
That's a cute dress.
Wow, rainbow আছে রে.
One more.
Nice.
Open. Stand up. Stand and put it. Oh, that's nice. So this is from.
Barbie.
Okay. I think this is from Tarun. Now open the next one.
How Tarun give girls things?
Okay. Now open the next one.
One.
Okay, now open the next one.
The next one is the biggest one. So many gifts.
Tear it.
How do I dare it? There's no way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, what's that?
The unicorn princess.
Show me.
The unicorn.
So, whom should you say thank you?
Tarun.
The bigger one.
Karthik.
See it?